democratic leader who wants to suspend parliament. Sana pena mashoko ari kuda panapa vanhu vachikombeya vachiti mashoko anotaurwa nemutungamiri wenyika pamwechete neaction anozi execute on the ground pane kakusveyana kana kusiyana kuripo. Sana pena mashoko amudanyorwa panapa kuti subscribe like or on the bell kuti mudazimba mudanyora chiti the stark contradiction between Mnangagwa's words and actions raises serious concerns about the future of democracy in Zimbabwe. While he publicly portrays himself as a champion of constitutionalism, his behind-the-scenes maneuvers suggest he is laying the groundwork to extend his presidency through unconstitutional means. He claims that facts will carry the day, appears increasingly hollow in the face of mounting evidence that he is actively engaging in efforts to override those very facts by instructing his supporters to call for a constitutional suspension. Mnangagwa is effectively undermining the very democracy he claims to uphold. When asked how he would ensure he remains committed to his stated position of stepping down, Mnangagwa said, "I will persuade the persuaders not to persuade me, so I am remaining constitutional." Yet his actions indicate that he is not only tolerating these so-called persuaders, but is actively directing them on how to achieve their goal of keeping him in power. Ndo mashoko anobuda panapa achitogwa nevanhu panapa ukomuna vezimu ai vachikomera vachiti aiwa panapa zvinhu zvinoitika paground nezvinenge zvataurwa nepublic vakomana vane kusiyana kwazvo, even nemamwe questions aibvunziwa they were not satisfying. Vanoenda mberi vachiti Mnangagwa's latest remarks stand in a sharp contrast to the reality on the ground. While he insists he will respect the constitution, his behind-the-scenes efforts suggest he is determined to remain in power by any means necessary. His claim of being so democratic rings hollow in the face of overwhelming evidence that he is actively undermining Zimbabwe's democracy. Tuze mafunguro echimoti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.